Welcome to the Toyota Production System Fundamentals course. This is Ahmad Radwan from Kaizen Made Easy. Toyota has repeatedly achieved exceptional performance in terms of quality, reliability, productivity, cost reduction, as well as sales and market share. In this course, we provide an in-depth tutorial about the Toyota Production System, which is a key ingredient behind this success, and we explore this through a detailed explanation from authentic sources. Together, we are going to explore the foundational principles of the Toyota Production System, such as Kaizen, Heijunka, as well as standard work. Then we are going to explore the two pillars of the Toyota Production System, which are the just-in-time and JIDOKA. Eventually, we are going to learn about what does it mean to achieve quality, cost, and delivery at the Gemba. In this course, I provide you with a full PDF tutorial as well as the video tutorial from authentic sources, as well as quizzes and a final test to assess your knowledge. Good luck with your progress with the course and hope you enjoy every part of it. Through this course, we are going to explore an introduction to the Toyota Production System, why it is important and why people are focusing on it. And then we will talk about the Toyota way, which is a very important concept that was developed by Toyota to make sure that the Toyota culture is implemented throughout the organization. Then we will talk about the foundational concepts, which are the Heijunka, Kaizen, and standards. Then we will talk about the first pillar, which is the JIDOKA Pillar. And we are going to explore three key concepts inside that JIDOKA Pillar, which are the Genchi Genbutsu, and Andon, and Poka Yoke. Then we are going to talk about the just-in-time pillar, and we are going to explore there the waste elimination, what is Takt Time, and what is Kanban. Finally, we are going to explore quality, cost, and delivery at the Gemba.